This video has been recorded in the Shona language. If you are interested in this video but you do not understand the Shona language, you can check in the comments section. You are going to find a link which takes you to a similar video which has been recorded in the English language. Thank you. Tava kuita subscriber question number 13. Question yacho iri kuti form an equation in x and show that it reduces to x squared minus 18x plus 45 is equal to 0. We have noticed that we have a right-angled triangle, and the demands of the question are for us to form an equation, then we reduce an equation to x squared minus 18x plus 45. Saka kuti tizviite izvozvo, tiine a right-angled triangle, we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem. So ndanyora in a different color kukuratidzai kuti this is not part of your solution, but it is material to our question kuti tigone kuiansa tobva kunge tichiunderstand the Pythagoras theorem. So the Pythagoras theorem basically inoti hypotenuse squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. In a case where we have a right angle triangle like this, so this is our right angle. Opposite our right angle, we have the largest side of our right angled triangle, which is called the hypotenuse, abbreviated HYP. Panapa tina A, pano tina B. So basically Pythagoras theorem inoti hypotenuse squared is equal to either side squared. That is hypotenuse squared equal to A squared plus B squared. So with this understanding much of the Pythagoras theorem, let us see kuti tinoapply sei paquestion pedu. So this is now our solution. So we have this triangle and it's a right angled triangle. Our hypotenuse, that's x plus 2. Panapa tina x minus 7. Then pano tina x. Chichi apply this Pythagoras theorem. Zvinoreva izvo kuti in our bracket x plus 2 squared, which is the hypotenuse, it's equal to x minus 7 squared this side plus x squared that side. Let us solve this stone. Saka panapa we are now required to expand brackets. If you do not understand how to expand brackets, we have a video which we created explaining how to expand brackets. So panapa we are going to assume it's non-knowledge, but tichango demonstrate how to say. So in expanding brackets, takatarisa ku left hand side, tiri kuti x plus 2 bracket squared, zvinoreva izvo kuti x plus 2 multiplying x plus 2. This is equal to x minus 7 multiplying x minus 7 then plus x squared. Saka panapa kana takuda kuexpanda mabrackets, tichati the first bracket, every term in the first bracket is going to multiply the second bracket. So zvinoreva ndezvekuti x first term iri bracket icha multiply bracket rese iri rechi2 x plus 2. Then the second term plus 2 iri multiply x plus 2. The same happens here. X first term multiplying the second bracket, x minus 7. Then we have minus 7 multiplying x minus 7 and plus x squared. So now we have x times x, which is x squared. Then x times 2, you have a plus 2x. But this term you multiply every individual term inside the bracket. Plus 2 times x, 2x. Plus 2 times 4, which is 4. This is equal to x times x, that's x squared, x times minus 7, minus 7x. Then minus 7x times x, and minus 7x. Minus 7 times minus 7, that's plus 49. x plus x squared. Alright, ngatiswededzei kunoku. Kureva kuti taakuti panapa tikada kuisolva, we have x squared plus, what is 2x plus 2x? 4x plus 4, it's equal to, then panapa x squared minus 7x minus 7x into minus 14x plus 49 plus x squared. Let us go back to our question to note tanzansa yedu tunoinyora sei. Question yati x squared minus 18x plus 45 is equals to 0. That is how we should reduce our answer to. Saka kuti tizviite zvazvinongoreva ndezvekuti tofanira kuexpressa as a quadratic equation. So doing so, gather my like terms together. Saka here we have x squared. Kunoku side left hand side hatichisina x squared. But katarisa kunoku we have this x squared. Ikajamba ecosine. Roti ikauya kunoku. Ichasvika ichita chi minus x squared. Then this x squared ikauya zvakare ichaita minus x squared. Tobva tati plus 4x. Kunoku hatichisina a term in x. Kunoku tinayo a term in x, which is this one, minus 14x ikajamba ichaita plus 14x. Hatichisina imwe. Then we have a constant plus 4. Then kunoku x squared minus 4x plus 49 ikajamba ichaita chi minus 49. This is equal to 0. Saka to verify ngativerenge materms edu 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Kureva kuti taita materms edu zvakanaka. Tiri panapa takuti x squared minus x squared is 0. Kureva kuti pano tasarwa tinani minus x squared. Tobva tati plus 4x plus 14x then 18x. 18x, then panapa tobva tati minus 4 minus 49 is minus 45. This is equal to 0. But going back to our question yati x squared minus 18x plus 45 is equals to 0. Yet patiri panapa tiri kuti minus x squared plus 18x minus 45 is equal to 0. Kureva kuti we have to make this minus x squared positive. There are many ways of doing that, one of which to transfer every term kunoku. But ansuda kudaro todango divide panapa na minus 1. Ma minus akanzelani. But kana tikadivide na minus 1 uku, we have to divide every term on either the left and the right hand side by minus 1. Kuroti panapa chadivide na minus 1. Panapa na minus 1. Kuno zvakare na minus 1. Every term on either the left hand side and also the right hand side. Saka tasarwa tina x squared, then minus iri kudivide into a plus, saka ya minus 18x. Aya ma minus ari kuchekana, saka yava plus 45 is equal to panapa na effect anoramba ari 0. Saka answer yatiri kuwana iyi, our final answer, iri kusatisfy here our question. Form an equation in x and show that it reduces to x squared minus 18x plus 45 is equals to 0. X squared minus 18x plus 45 is equals to 0. Tonyora shown ma brackets medu. So ndo zvatinoita. Just to recap, zvataita panapa ta-apply the Pythagoras theorem. In ma-apply ataita, ta-identify the hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse yedu now we are in an expression x plus 2. Saka tata hypotenuse squared, it's equal to x squared plus bracket x minus 7 squared. Over taisolver. Saka ma skills aunofanirwa kuziva to successfully get to the answer. Kutanga, Pythagoras theorem. You should understand the Pythagoras theorem. Number 2, you should understand expansion of brackets, then general arithmetic, general algebra yekusova nayo. So I hope you understood. Asi kana paine pamusoro nazonzwisisa, you can always use the comment section and I will try to clarify more better. Manje the second part of our question. Second part iri kuti solve the equation x squared minus 18x plus 45 is equal to 0. So we have this quadratic equation x squared minus 18x plus 45 is equal to 0. So your default, your first line of thought, zvanofanira kutanga kufunga kana wanzi usolve ma-quadratic equations, unofanira kutanga kufunga about factorization. Then kana factorization yaramba, ndopanogona kushandisa the quadratic formula. Kana uri familiar with completing the square, unogona kushandisa zvakare, but I do not encourage kushandisa completing the square. So in factorizing, chanofanira kutanga kuita is to make sure that your equation is written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This form, this is the general expression of a quadratic equation. Form iyi zvainoreva ndezvekuti inofanirwa kutanga kunyorwa, inofanirwa ina x squared mukati mayo, kana kuti inofanirwa ine chisquare ichi. Inotevera kunyorwa inofanirwa ina 1 panapa, which is x to the 1, then inopedzisira inofanirwa kuva a constant. Saka mapowers ako of the unknown, saka mapowers of the unknown anofanirwa kunge ari in a descending order. Tanga nene the power 2, kuenda the power 1, kuenda the power 0, kana kuti the constant. This is very important kana tichida kusolve a quadratic equation. Be it kuti kushandisa factorization or kushandisa the quadratic formula. Saka tikatarisa equation yedu yakanyorwa in the right way. Because tatanga na squared, tikauya pana 1 to the power 1, tikapesera number, a constant, number ingori number. Our next step now is we are going to multiply the first term and the last term. Saka the first term is x squared and the last term is 45. Saka we are multiplying 45 times x squared to get what? 45 x squared. So I multiply the first term and the last term, but making sure that the first term in x squared and the last term in a number. That is the importance of arranging in the order ax squared plus bx plus c equates to 0. Tadaro, we are going to find the factors of 45x squared. A factor in number not divided into another number without leaving a remainder. Satikuda manamba anopinda mu 45. As numbers aya manje, anofanirwa kunge ari in such a way yekuti tikama multiply anofanirwa kutipa 45x squared. Tikama adda anofanirwa kutipa minus 18x, which is the middle term in our quadratic formula. So let us think about these factors. We can start with the factors of 45. What are the factors of 45? Saka 1, the inverse factor, divided into any other number. We have 3, yes. 4 I pin, then we have 5, 6 no, 7, 8, we have 9, we have 15, and so forth. So my factors are 45 tama 1. Takuda two my factors in such a way yekuti tikama multiply anofanirwa kutipa 45x squared. Saka tikati 15x andika tikai multiply na 3x zvinotipa 45x squared. Asi manje tifunga kuti kana tikazoedda panapo anofanirwa kutipa minus 18x, kureva kuti takufanirwa kudi kuisa ma-negative signs panapa, because minus 15x minus 3x ndi minus 18x, and minus 15x times minus 3x ndi 45x squared, because ma-minus akasangana in multiplication pane cancellation effect inoita kuti ive a positive. A negative times a negative gives us a positive. If you do not understand my directed numbers, you can also check. We have a video we created explaining in more deeper terms directed numbers. Some factors edu tama1. What we are now doing is takuchidzokorodza this quadratic equation asi tichireplace pakati apa nemafactors aya, kureva kuti taakuti x squared instead of kunyora minus 18x takuireplace na minus 15x minus 3x then plus 45 is equal to 0. That is the step yatinoita next. Tichango substitute or kureplace minus 18x na minus 15x minus 3x. Then we are going to group this left hand side into two pairs. Saka we have this pair and this pair. Shanza ma brackets. Saka let us factor out panapa. We are going to factor out x. Then our first term mukati bracket is x, because x squared divided by x in the x. Then our next term is minus 15, because minus 15x divided by x in the minus 15. Panapa we have minus 3. Minus 3x divided by minus 3 in the x. Saka term yedu kutanga muno the x. Then take out 45 dividing minus 3, we'll get minus 15. Again, 3 multiplying minus 15 gives us 45. Actually, minus 3 multiplying minus 15 gives us 45. A quick way yekuona kuti waita zvakanaka panapa. Zviri mukati mema brackets should be the same. Here we have x minus 15, or not na x minus 15. That's our fact checker. Kureva kuti here we now have x minus 3, takusam bracket x minus 15 is equal to 0. Kana tine two manumber ari kumultiply achitipa 0, we know kuti in order for us to get 0 as a product of multiplication, ta multiply two terms or two numbers, one of those numbers should be 0. For example, at a times b it's equal to 0. Even though tisingazivi kuti a ndiani kana kuti b ndiani, we can safely assume kuti it's either a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Pakati pemanumbers ari 2, pakati pa a na b panofanirwa kuita 1 iri 0 kuitira kuti product ive 0. So this same principle is applying here. Saka panapa tichati either x minus 3 is equals to 0 or x minus 15 is equals to 0. Saka na x minus 3 are equal to 0, zvoreva kuti x are equal to 3. Minus 3 ajamba ecosine akauya kunoku akachinja arithmetic sign, or x anenge ari equal to 15. Therefore tiri kuti x is equal to 3 or 15. This is our final answer. This is how we factorize quadratic equations. If you have any questions pamaitiro atazviita, please may you ask in the comment section so that I can try to explain more easier and more clear. Let us now go over to the last part of our question, which is part 3. Part 3 iri kuti hence write down the length of AP. So before we care to write the length of AP, tinofanira kuziva kuti pa part 2 our answers were x is equal to 3 or 15. Saka takuda kuenda ku part 3. AP ndeipi? AP ndeishi. This is AP, A uyu P uyu, kuroti AP ndepanapa ndi apa. AP pari ipapo. AP iri equal to x minus 7. Zvinoreva izvo kuti AP iri equal to, tikasubstituta x na3 chava 3 minus 7, or AP iri equal to, tosubstituta x na 15, that's 15 minus 7. Saka tiri kuti AP are equal to 3 minus 7 ndeyani? 5, 6, 7, saka ndi 4. Actually minus 4, or then panapa 15 minus 7, that is 8. Therefore, AP is equal to 8. AP cannot be minus 4 for a simple reason that we do not have a negative length. We know that AP is the length of one of the sides of a right-angled triangle, and hatina a length which is negative. Chero munhu akapfupika sei hakuna munhu akapfupika zvekuti tingamoti ari minus 1 meter tall. So that is the drill. Kana muine pamusina kunzwisisa pamawork ataita, please indicate in the comment section so that we clarify more. Kana muine amwe ma-ordinary level mathematics questions, hazvina basa kuti Zimsec, Cambridge, or whatever paper, so long iri O level, you can reach out to me in the comment section, or mukaenda kuma details of this YouTube channel, you are going to find my contact details. You can send directly to me and I will try to answer the questions. Kana mabatsirika, please subscribe, like and share so that rubatsiro runosvikirawo vamwe vangava in need. Thank you for watching.